Papa. I am back with one more video on this Revolver that I bought. If you haven't seen the other two, go watch the other two. There's the introducing it, just taking a quick look at what it is and the different pieces of it, how it loads. And then I did the paper plate test on it. The paper plate test was very disappointing, and I am expecting this to also be disappointing, but we're going to try it anyway. We're going to try the Hugs barrels, see if we can do any get any penetration on the Hugs juice barrels with this. We're actually going to go with the BB first, so let's just get right down to it. Let me go take a look. I might have missed. Yep. Can't honestly say whether I hit it or not. I don't think I did, but let's try it again. Alright, that time definitely hit it. Let's go see what happened. Let's see what happened. Oh, well, it's a little off there, but we're just going to have to take the results for what they are, because I'm a little short on, but it actually went in and out of this first barrel. I'm kind of surprised at that, knowing what the paper plate test was like. And it went into the second barrel. Well, that's impressive considering the if you looked at the paper plate test, it barely punctured into the a couple plates with the BB. So let me get a couple more Hugs barrels and we'll get set up for the pellet tests. Alright, I got a couple more Hugs barrels. We're actually down to these last 4, so we may run out before our 3 pellets are up, but let's see. First pellet's going to be the standard target, which on the rifle, if you recall, went the farthest both in paper plate test and in the Hugs barrels. It made the biggest dent on the back of the 3rd barrel. So that'll be our really key one to look at here. Let's sit back a little bit here, and here we go. Get off safety. Alright, I see some dripping, so I think we hit it. Let's put this back on safety. Let's go take a look. I went from hitting low with the BB to hitting high, but still, I might be able to use this barrel again actually. So, both top, entry, and exit hole. That's the first barrel. Second barrel. Entry, exit. Well, actually, it did not exit. It is in this barrel. Since I'm running low on barrels, let's put these 2 aside for the moment. I'll stick it behind. Actually, we'll stick them in the back, and maybe we can at least get the other 2 pellets to try out here. Again, if you missed the paper plate test for the Revolver, the gold plate pellets do not function out of this gun. So if you buy this gun, and when you buy other guns, make sure you're cautious about what you buy, because you may be wasting your money. I mean, fortunately the gold plates work fine in my rifle, but if this had been the only gun I bought, and those had been the only pellets I bought, I would have been screwed. So if you buy this or other guns in those gold plates, make sure you find out if they work in them first. Alright, here we go. This next one is the destroyer pellet, which is the similar to a hollow point for a pellet, if you remember. Here we go. Alright, I'm not sure if that hit or not. I feel like it, well, I see some leaking, so we must have hit it. Let's go find out. Alright, but where is it leaking from? Oh, we just barely caught the side, unfortunately, on this one. So, that one may have to go in as an unknown. I would definitely say it would have made it into the second barrel like the target one did. Unfortunately, because I'm low on Hugs barrels here, I really want to try out this red fire as well. So, out of this gun. So I'm going to move that barrel now to the back, and we will see if we can hit this squarely with the red fire and see what that result is. Alright, so here we go. Definitely see leaking again. Hopefully I hit it better. Let's go see. Oh, at the top here. Let's see. At the top, in and out. There's definitely a decent dent on the second one here. But I don't think it got. I don't think it entered it. That's what I'm trying to say. No, did not enter it. So, here's the deal. Hugs barrels versus pellets and BBs. The BB did decent on the barrels, which I was surprised about. Remember, the regular standard pellet went through the first barrel into the second barrel and made a decent dent on the back. And the destroyer, we weren't able to tell, but I feel like that one probably would have made it into the second barrel as well. And the red fire made it through the first barrel, dented the second barrel, and did not make it all the way in though. So there you have it. That is our BBs and pellets versus the Hugs juice barrels. Please like, subscribe to my video, click the bell to be notified of future content. Let me know anything else you want me to try with these pellets, or what other pellets you want me to try. I've already got 2 or 3 that I've researched that I'm going to try out in the near future. But let me know if you have anything specific you want me to try out, and I will see you on the next video.